Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is having a good day. Today we are going to solve a very recent Leetcode coding problem 3701 compute alternating sum. So let's start. You are given an integer array nums. The alternating sum of nums is value obtained by adding elements at even indices and subtracting elements at odd indices. That is nums 0 minus nums 1 plus nums 2 minus nums 3 and so on, right? Return integer denoting the alternating sum of all the nums. Okay, so we'll go through the example. Nums dot length can be 100 maximum, so 100 numbers will be there in the array maximum. Okay, and the numbers will range between 1 to 100. So let's take a look at some examples. So 1 3 5 7, so even indices sum is 1 plus 5, which is 6, right? And 3 plus 7 is odd indices sum is 10, so 6 minus 10 is going to give you minus 4. If you have only one number, you will get 100, right? 100 here. This is another example. Here you will get the sum as minus 4. Why? Because you will calculate the sum of the even indices, which is 1 3 5 and 7. This sum is going to be 16, right? This is 16 sum, and you have to subtract. What you have to subtract? You have to subtract odd indices. So 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 6 is 12, plus 8 is 20. So it's also going to give you minus 4 basically, correct? So that's what we want to find out. So now you understood the problem clearly. So one way is just to find out the even sum and then subtract the odd indices sum, right? So that is one way to solve this problem. But can you solve this problem within one loop? Like right, in one loop you can just solve this problem by just alternating the sign, right? Because essentially you are taking a sum but you are alternating the sign, right? So what we are doing essentially, so you are doing 1, then you are doing minus 2, then you are doing plus 3, right? Plus 3, then you are doing what you are doing, minus 4, right? Then you are doing plus 5, then you are doing minus 6, right? Like this and so on, correct? You understood the point, right? The sign is changing here. So this is minus, then plus, then minus, then plus, then minus, then plus, and so on, right? So this can be easily done within one for loop only, just by changing that sign and taking a sum, right? So I'll show you the solution. It's a very simple solution and you will definitely like it. So this is how you can solve this problem, guys. Okay, so alternating sum is what we are implementing. A nums array is given to us. We'll create one sum variable. It is 1 and sign variable is 1, sorry, and sum is 0. In this for loop, we will go through all the nums, and what you will calculate, sum is equal to sum plus, this is very important, sign multiplied by I. You are multiplying that I, which is the current number, by the current sign. Okay, and then you will change the sign. What we are doing here, sign is equal to sign multiplied by 1, means you are toggling the sign basically, right? Toggling the sign, correct? So plus minus, so what it means, it will go like plus minus like this, right? Plus minus like this. Okay, you got it, right? So this is what we will do here. Okay, and then you will add this into your sum. At the end, the sum will give you the alternating sum. Okay, so before we submit this code and test it out, let's talk about the algorithmic complexity. Because of the for loop here, the time complexity for this code, guys, for you is order of n, because you have that for loop, right? And the space complexity for this code, guys, is order of 1. This is also called as constant. So because we did not use any data structure to hold any data here, variables, they don't count over space, right? So what do I mean by data structures? For example, if you use linked list, arrays, array list, hash map, hash set, tree set, so that is a data structure that you will hold the data, right? Here there is no data structure. It means that it's a constant on space solution, guys. Give it a run, make sure this code compiles and runs correctly against the test cases. You can see that the test cases are getting passed. This is the example I just shown you. Minus 4 is the correct answer here. For this one also minus 4, and for this one 100. Submit this code to the Leetcode. Make sure this code gets accepted by the Leetcode now. You can see here the code is accepted by the Leetcode 94.37 percentile on the performance, which is very good solution to solve this coding problem. It's a recent problem that came up on Leetcode 3701 compute alternating sum. So I wanted to show you how to write down this simple solution to solve this kind of coding problem. So here we are not actually checking even and odd indices basically. So it's a better solution, right? And I hope this example that I created for you help you understand this problem in a easier and better way. So if you did, then please give it thumbs up, give it a like for our video, subscribe to our channel. Your subscription is very important. It helps and supports this channel, guys. Also share this video with all your friends so that they can also watch and learn from these videos, and definitely click on that bell notification icon so you won't miss any important upcoming such interesting videos from our channel. Here we create content to help others learn more computer science, data structures and algorithmic paradigms. More than 600 problems are solved, guys, for you. Those problems are selective. Those are asked by big companies including Amazon, Apple, Google, Microsoft, Meta, Yahoo and a lot of big companies in their past interviews. So make sure you watch these videos. The important playlist you should watch right away from our channel includes graphs, matrices, binary search trees, binary trees, problems solved by using binary search, dynamic programming, recursion, memoization, how to use and apply BFS and DFS on graphs, matrices and trees. The important data structures playlist we have created for you includes stacks, queues, priority queues, min heap, max heap, arrays, array list, linked list. So everything is here, guys, so don't miss out on those important solved problems. They will definitely help you learn lots of new techniques of problem solving, Java programming and coding along with data structures and algorithmic approaches. Share, definitely share these videos and don't forget to give a like for our video, and thanks for watching this video. Have a great day ahead.